The first step is to power down the system and remove the cover using the latch clicks at the top of the unit. Now, the old fan can be unplugged, as so. Next, remove the fan mounting plate from the MVHR unit by removing the fixing screws, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. The fixing plate and the fan can now be removed from the unit. Undo the 4 screws holding the fan to the mounting plate. Next, fix the new fan to the mounting plate. The mounting plate and new fan can now be returned to the unit and fixed back in place. Take care to slot the mounting plate fully back into position. The mounting plate can now be fixed back into the unit using the 3 screws previously removed. The new fan can now be plugged into the main unit. The unit cover can now be returned and power restored to the unit. The unit will automatically return to the preset speeds and continue normal operation.